We are from Basavaredi BA and BCom College, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling cost accounting subject for BCom 5th sem student. Last class we have discussed the problems based on LIFO method. Okay, in this section I am solving the problems those who have given in the question paper. Problem number 1. This question is given in 2015 question paper section C for 15 marks. Prepare store ledger under LIFO method. 1114 balance 100 kg at 50 per kg. Second one, 15/1/2014 purchase 300 kgs at 60 per kg. 7/1/14 issued to the department X 100 kg. 15/1/14 purchase 300 kg at rupees 70 per kg. 21/1/14 return to suppliers 100 kg purchase on 5th January. 22/1/14 issued to the department Y 100 kg. 25/1/14 received back from the department X 10 kgs. 27/1/14 purchase 200 kgs at 55 per kg. 28 issued to the department X and Y 200 kg each. Next, 31/1/14 store audit showed the shortage of 10 kgs. This much information given in the problem. Let us solve the problem. Store ledger under LIFO method. Store ledger under LIFO method. For method. Okay, 4 columns. First column is date. Second column is receipt. Third column is payment or issue. Last is balance. Last one is balance. Okay, here GR number, quantity, rate, amount, MR number, quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount. Okay, first one, 1/1/14 balance 100 kgs at 50 per kg. Here 1/1/14 balance 100 kg at 50. 100 kg at 50. 100 into 50, 5,000. 5,000. Next, 5/1/14 purchase 300 kg at 60 per kg. 5/1/14 purchase 300 kg at 60. 300 kg at 60. 18,000. 18,000. Here we have 2 lot. FIFO method. 100, 50, 5,000, 300, 60, 18,000. Then 7/1/14 issued to the department X 100 kgs. 7/1/14 X department 100 kg. We are in first lot, so that we have to consider first lot. 100, 50, 5,000. So first lot is nil. Second lot 300 into 60, 18,000. 300 into 60, 18,000. Next 15, 1, 14. Purchase 300 kg at 70 per kg. 15, 1, 14. Purchase 300 at 70. 21,000. Here we have two lots. First lot is 300 into 60, 18,000. Then 300 into 70, 21,000. 21,000. Next 21, 114. Return to the suppliers 100 kg. Purchase on 5, 114. 21, 114. Return to suppliers which were issued on 5th January. Return to suppliers 100 kg which were issued on 5th. 6,000. Then we have here 3 lots. 300 into 60, 18,000. 300 into 70, 21,000. Next 100 into 60, 6,000. Okay. Next 22. Issue to the department 100 kgs. 22, 114. 100 kg. We are in first lot. 100 into 60, 6,000. So close that. Then 300 minus 100. 200 into 60, 12,000. 300 into 70, 21,000. 100 into 60, 6,000. Then 25. Received back from the department X 10 kgs. 10 kgs. 25, 114. Received back 10 kgs into 60, 600. Okay. 190 into 60. 190 into 60. 11,400. 300 into 70. 21,000. Then 100 into 60. 6,000. 6,000. Then 27. Purchase 200 kg at 55. 27, 114. 200 kgs at 55. 200 kgs at 55. 11,000. So here we have 4 lot. 190 into 60. 11,400. 300 into 70. 21,000. 100 into 60. 6,000. 200 into 55. 11,000. Okay. Then 28. Issue department X and Y 200 each. 28, 114. 200 from the each department. So first 190, 60, 11,400. So 400 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 190 ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 400 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 190 ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 220. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಾಟ್. 220 into 70. 20 into 7 double 7 1 7, 7 2 14. So we have used first lot dash dash 300 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 10 ಹೋದರೆ 90, 90 into 70, 100 into 60, 6000, then 200 into 55, 11,000. 90 into 70, 6,300. Next 31, 1 12 14. Store audit shows shortage. 31 1 14. Shortage of 10. 10 into 70, 700. So we have here 90 minus 10, 80. So 80 into 70, 1600. 100 into 60, 6000. 200 into 55, 11,000. 200 into 55, 11,000. I hope you understood the problem. First one, they are issuing balancing 100 into 50, 5,000. Then we are purchasing 300 into 60, 18,000. 18,000. Again we are issuing 100 into 50, 5,000. We have two lot here, 100 into 300, two lot. So that we are issuing, we are in first lot. So take 100 from the first lot. 100 minus 100, dash dash dash. 300 into 60, 18,000. Okay, then 15 we are purchasing 300 kgs at 70 per kg. 300 into 70, 21,000. Again we have here two lot, 300 into 60, 18,000. 300 into 70, 21,000. 21st one 2014 we have received from the department where we are issued on 5th January. 100 into 60, 6,000. Here we have three lot, 300 into 60, 18,000. 300 into 70, 21,000. 300 into 100 into 60, 6,000. 22 1 14 we are receiving from the department X. 100 into 60, 6,000. So that we are in first lot. 300 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಹೋದರೆ 200, 200 into 60, 12,000. Then we are return back 10 units at 60 into 600. 200 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಹೋದರೆ 190, 190 into 60, 11,400. 300 into 70, 21,000. 100 into 60, 6,000. 27 we are purchasing 200 at 55 per kg. 200 into 55, 11,000. 190, 300, 100, 200. We have here 4 lot. Then 28 we are issuing 200 each from the department, and that is X and Y. So first lot we have here 190. So give 190 from the first lot, remaining from the second lot. 300 190 or the 90 into 70, 6,300. 100 into 60, 6,000. 200 into 55, 11,000. 31st shortage of 10 units. We are in first lot. Take the first lot rupees 70. 10 into 70, 7,000. Here we have remaining 3 lot, 80, 70, 5,600. 100 into 60, 6,000. 200 into 55, 11,000. I hope you understood. The next one is question number 2. This question is given in 2016 question paper for case study purpose. Okay, prepare a store ledger of a manufacturing company, date, receipt, balance. Using these two we have to find out issues. Okay, how much issues are there or payment are there. 2015 June 1 opening 100 to 200. 100 into 2, 200. 10, 200 received, 200, 400. Here remaining 300 into 2, 600. Then 10, 15, 3, 15 300 units at 4 each. 1200. Here we have remaining 300 into 2 600, 300 into 4 1200. 16, there is no received. 100 2 200, 300 into 4 1200. 20, 100 into 4 400. Next 25, received 400 units at 5 2000. 100 into 4 400, 400 into 5 2000. Then 28, no received, only the balance amount is 200 into 5 5000. 29, no received, 50 into 1 250. This much information is given in the problem. Based on this information we have to find out which method is it. Yeah, method antana first we have to find out, then we have to calculate the receipt and issue amount. Let us start the problem. Store ledger under we don't know. Okay, store ledger anta hagiri, depend on some we will find out. Store ledger under dash method, because after solving we will let be know date, receipt, issue, balance. GR number, quantity, rate, amount. MR number, quantity, rate, amount. Quantity, rate, amount. Okay, first one, June 2015. First one, 500 into 2. June 1st, 100 units at 2 200. 100 units at 2 200. Next 10, 200 into 2 400. We are issuing 10. 200 units at 2 400. 200 at 2 400. Here we have 2 lot. 100 into 2 200. 200 into 2 400. Then 15, 300 into 4 1200. 15, 300 into 4 1200. We have here 3 lots. 100 to 200. 200 into 2 400. 300 into 4 1200. Next 16. 16, we have here 100 into 2 200. 300 into 4 1200. So that here we have 100 and 200. Only 100 is remaining, nothing but here 100 is issue. 100 into 2 200 from the first lot, then the 100 into 2 200 from the second lot. This method is FIFO, first in first out. LIFO, FIFO method. So we have here 2 lot. 20. 20, we have here only 1 lot, that is 100 into 4 400. Nothing but we have here issued 100 into 2 200. Next 300 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು 200 we have issued. 200 into 4 4 to the 8 800. Next 25 purchased 400 at 5. 25, 400 at 5, 2000. Then we have here 2 lots. 100 into 4, 400. 400 into 5, 2000. Then 28. Only 200 into 5 is a remaining lot. 200 into 5, 2000. So that ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿದೆ ನಾವು 2000 400 100 into 4 now we have gave. Okay. In remaining 200 into 5, 5 twos are 10, 1000. So that remaining 1000 they have given. 29, 50. So 29 ಅಲ್ಲಿ only 50 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. 50 into 5, 250. So 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 150 into 5. 150 into 5, 750. 750 is remaining amount. Okay. Then 100 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 150 ಇದೆ 50 into 5, 250. 750 plus 250 is 1000. ಓಕೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳಿ, ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ 100 into 2, 200. Then purchase 200 into 4. Here we have 2 lot. 100 ಇದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು 200 ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ 200 into 4, 1200. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 3 lot. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಇತ್ತು, 100 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ 200 100 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ದು 100 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. 300 ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಾಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 100 into 4, 400 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 100 into 4, 4ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೆಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು, 300 ಇತ್ತು. 100 200 ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 100 ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 100 into 2, 200. 200 into 4, 800. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ 400 into 5, 2000. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 lot. 100 into 4, 400. 400 into 5, 2000. ದೆನ್ 28 lot, ಓನ್ಲಿ 200 into 5, 1000 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2 lot. 2 lotಲ್ಲಿ 100 lot ಖಾಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅದ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇದು ಈ ಲಾಟ್ನ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 400ಅಲ್ಲಿ 200 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು 200 ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. 200 into 5, 1000. 29, 50 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಓದಿದೆ. ಸೊ 200ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50 ಹೋದರೆ 150. 150 into 5, 750. I hope you understood the problem. Thank you.